section we're going to look at is editing the entries layout screen. This can be useful when you're looking at your sort of orders, your invoices, your journals. You're having to continuously find the fields that you need by selecting show more details. We can edit those so that everything that you need is on a line that you need. Okay, so on the screenshot that I've got here, you'll see a before and after of me editing the layout. On the before, you can see that we've got no dimensions, we've got no descriptions on the line, and after, you can see that we've amended that information so that it's visible and you can benefit from those dimensions that we've set up. This should help you when you're doing the processing and avoid any errors of people missing things and people forgetting to sort of show the details and add that information. Okay, so let's pop back into the system and we will have a look at how we do one of those. Okay, so if I'm going to switch it up, I'll go to purchasing and I'll go and have a look at my purchase orders. I'm going to go and add a purchase order and I'll scroll down here and you'll see the list of entries. So if I wanted to add any of my information, I can click show details and add all the information down there, but can be a bit, you know, repetitive to always have to do that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go to more actions, edit entries layout. This will then open up the capability of me to just literally drag and drop what I want on the top line. Can be a little bit fiddly to get it where you want it to go. So I'm going to pop my locations up, my departments, and I'll also put my class up there. What I might want to take down, maybe I want to take my base price down and pop it in there and just take some of this away to only really have the information that I want to be shown on there. Okay, so once you're happy with that, then apply the layout changes to all views. So this would mean it's important to press this button because this would mean that when you open again to add another invoice, another purchase order or another invoice or whatever, or you go to edit it or you go to just view it, it will open in this layout that you selected. So if I click apply layout and save, this will then change my layout. So I've got all the information that I need when I'm processing, and it's just going to make it a lot slicker and a lot quicker when you're doing the processing. Okay, so the one point I will make about the entries layout is that they will copy over for all users. So if you do that, it will go for everybody. But it won't copy over to site other entities or other areas of the system. So this basically means if I've just done that in a purchase order now, I would have to repeat it in a purchase invoice or a sales invoice or a journal. Only have to do it once, but I'd have to sort of set them all up separately. You wouldn't just set them up in one place and it'll apply across everything, because you might have an instance where on your purchase orders you put in a class dimension, but you don't use the class dimension on journals or your sales invoices. So you do have to have it sort of for each transaction.